Christmas countdown, creating an itinerary for your festive vacation. Dreaming of a sunny holiday in Cabo this winter? You're not alone! Cabo is perfect for the holidays. It boasts warm weather, stunning beaches, delicious food, lively nightlife, and friendly locals. It's a place where you can leave the cold behind and enjoy clear skies and lovely sunsets. Planning a trip to Cabo can be stress-free. Pick the best dates, look for good deals, and arrange your transportation beforehand. VIP Transportation Los Cabos offers comfy and satisfying transport services, making your holiday extra special. Creating a fun and flexible itinerary is key. Make a list of attractions and activities, map them out, create a calendar with traveling times and dates, and be flexible. This will make your trip more enjoyable and memorable. Packing for your trip to Cabo can be easy. Check the weather, pack light and smart, bring the essentials, and consider buying local products and souvenirs. Remember, Cabo is a casual and relaxed place. You don't need to pack too many clothes or accessories. With a little planning, your holiday in Cabo can be nothing short of amazing. So start your Christmas countdown and get ready for a fantastic holiday in Cabo. VIP Transportation Los Cabos.